Hey friends, welcome back to the Wormy Garden. Today I'll show you how to grow basil from seed, perfect for balconies, patios, and windowsills. We'll cover planting, care, and harvesting in just a minute. 1. Start basil seeds indoors or outdoors after the last frost. Zone 7A, start in April. 2. Use a seed starting mix in a container with drainage. 3. Sow seeds 1/4 inch deep. Keep soil moist, not soggy. 4. Basil loves sun. Give it at least 6 hours a day. 5. Keep the temperature above 70 degrees Fahrenheit for fast germination. 6. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. 7. Feed with worm tea every 2 weeks. 8. Pinch off the top leaves once it has 6 to 8 sets to encourage bushiness. 9. Harvest leaves as needed and enjoy fresh basil in your meals. Please like and subscribe, let's grow something amazing.